Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I am sharing a return swap, and I do apologize. I did not show you what I sent my partner because there was a lot going on, and we can get into that later. But this is my return swap from my partner, and I'm covering the light here so you can see what a cute little tin she sent it in. So I am going to just open this up. All I've done is taken it out of the box. I haven't really opened the little tin. How cute is that, guys? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So my partner for this was Evelyn, and the group that I participated in is Made by You. And again, I'll have that linked in the description box in case you guys want to go and take a look to see, if it's something that you might be interested in joining, a group you might be interested in joining. But anyway, so I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to open this and then I will show you what was required. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So let me open this up and show you what's in there. So here we go, guys. Oops. Oh my gosh, look, it's filled with a lot of goodies. So let me go ahead and take everything out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh, how cute. Okay, let me take everything out and show you what was required, and we'll go from there. How cute is that, guys? Look at all that tinsel. Just makes it look so pretty and festive. And I just, first of all, this was not a requirement. So that is an extra. Oh, how cute. Okay, so we were required to make a handmade shaped gingerbread ornament, and I see that right here. And look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cute. So she made a felt gingerbread. Oh, how cute! With it's holding a little bunny with a little doily under it, a little festive bunny. Oh wow, wow! She did good. Look at all that. Her sewing just is perfect. So how cute is that, guys? Got rosy little cheeks, a little bow, and some peppermints for the buttons. And on the back, she put her little stamp on there, made by Evelyn Valencia. She put a little heart on her stamp and she attached it with a garment pin. She'll put a little button right there to hold a hanger. How cute. Oh my gosh, guys, I really want a tree for my craft room so I can put all my ornaments, because I've got a few that I've gotten throughout the years, and I always have them out, but they're on a hook, and I really want a tree. So if and when I get it, this will definitely stay out year around. Oh my gosh, Evelyn, that's beautiful. Thank you so very much. I love it. So that was the handmade gingerbread ornament. And then we were to make a card or a tag. And it looks like she made a tag. Oh, how cute. Look at this she used corrugated paper for the gingerbread. And look at that cute little face. She's got glitter on the top. Gingerbread is holding a little snowflake with holly and berries. Beautiful velvet bow, and again the buttons are made out of the peppermints, and she used more of that glitter here on the feet and the hands. How cute. She used twine, and she put a little bell on the top, a silver bell, and that is her tag. She put the to and from on the back. And then she put Evelyn 2023. Boy, did I go back in time. And there we go. How cute. It is adorable. Thank you, Evelyn. I love the little face. It is so super duper cute. Again, thank you so much, Evelyn. I appreciate that. Okay, so the next thing we were to create were 3 embellishments. They could all be the same, or they could be varied in size. So I am thinking this is her first embellishment. Look at this cute little rosette. It's a crepe paper rosette with the cutest gingerbread face on there, with the little bow right there. It's got tulle on the top, you know, under the gingerbread. And then it's got glitter all the way around. How pretty. Look at those beautiful reds and silver, and oh, that is so pretty. And then again, she's got made by Evelyn Valencia. I love that stamp. So pretty. So that is her first one. And her next embellishment is this cute peppermint. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so, you know, actually I could use that as an ornament too. This is so pretty. I just love, love, love this peppermint. Oh, it's so pretty. And it looks like she's got, that looks like glitter glass. Is that what I've been seeing here instead of, no, this is on the gingerbread. That is definitely, glitter. This, however, is glitter glass. How pretty. And glitter glass just, you know, takes everything to a whole new level. It's just sparkles and shines in a whole different way. And then she's got this little berry and holly and berry spray right here, or, you know, little cluster right here. That is so pretty. Oh, that is pretty. I love that one. So that is her second one. And then here is her third. And I mean, I don't know if this one's supposed to be, she put several in here. So I'm going to say that this one is an oh, you know what? I wonder if this one goes together and it came apart. Because it looks like this doesn't have any you know, any glitter on that side. Evelyn, you'll have to tell me if that's the way it was supposed to be, because that might be, that looks right to me right there. That looks right. So that may be the way it's supposed to go. So Evelyn, I'll wait to hear from you, and if that's the way it's supposed to go, I will glue it back down if it's supposed to go that way. But either way, they're both beautiful together and they are beautiful apart, you know. So just, but if it was meant to be that way, I would rather have it that way. So I'm gonna take that one. I don't know if it's her second or I'm just gonna say that it is her. Oh, wait a minute, here's another one. Okay, so let's say that these, oh, that's so pretty. She used the little peppermints for the buttons. She layered it quite a few. Oh no, it's got foam, it looks like, in the center. Oh, that's cute. So, okay, let's say that these are her embellishments, because we were only required to send 3. And I see other things here, so I'm not sure if I think the other items were just a filler for the box. So here are her 3 embellishments. So they are super cute, Miss Evelyn. Thank you so much. I love them. This may have been filler. I don't know. So also we were supposed to make a memory dex card, and here's her memory dex card. Oh, how cute. Oh, that is so cute. Guys, you know I could sit here and shake forever. Oh, that is so pretty. It's got peppermints and candy canes, and of course, you know, it's got gingerbreads in there. It's got red sequins and clear and iridescent. That is so pretty. It's got little glass balls in there, it looks like. Super cute. And then this lady is here holding a tray of gingerbread cookies, and here is a bowl with cookies in it. And then again, she's put some eyelash trim, and then she's put some more of the sequin mix at the bottom. That is so cute. And then she's got this little background. It says greetings, and it is a shaker. How cute. I love this red. Oh, that's pretty. And then on the back, she's got made by Evelyn Valencia and the year. How pretty. And she's layered it quite a few times. It's really, really sturdy. That's so cute. I love the little gingerbreads. That is so cute, Evelyn. Again, thank you so much. I love this one. That is so cute. So guys, in the box as well, we had some pipe cleaner, you know, ornaments. I think they're ornaments because that's what they look like to me. So she's got a little tag here on this one, a little piece of twine with a bell, and then again she put some glitter all the way around. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you did good. And it's nice and it's pretty stiff. And then she made a wreath. Same way, she coiled the wreath. So pretty. And again, with the glitter around the wreath, some eyelash trim, and this pretty little bow. How cute. And then look at these guys. These were in there as well. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love those. You know, I really love these. I'll have to try to make some of these next year. These are so cute, Evelyn. I can't wait to use those. Those, you know, could have been the embellishments too. I don't know, but that's what I would use them as. Super, super cute. So there are these. And then, look at this little guy, guys. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He is cute. It's a cute little gingerbread box. And then opening it up. Oh, she's got a gingerbread mix. How pretty. Oh, this is what was in the Memdex card. Look at that. Same one. How pretty. Oh, thank you. See? That is so pretty. Those are the little glass balls. I have a few left, just a little quantity of those glass balls, and those were given to me as a gift. I don't know where you get those, but they're so pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Thank you so much, Evelyn. Oh, I like that. Well, thank you so much. I just love it. And the little box is so cute. Oh my gosh. This box and then this box. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so adorable. Somebody took a bite out of his leg. So super cute. And then the last item that we were to send each other was a $10 gift, or a gift totaling not more than $10. So as you can see, guys, this is it appears to be a paper pad. And then she's got something on the top as well. So I am going to open the one on the top because it is on the top. How pretty is this paper, guys? Oh, that's pretty paper. That is pretty paper. Very retro. Okay, guys, I got it open and look at this cute little reindeer. Well, I wouldn't, yeah. It's a little reindeer. It says designer dies. Oh, it's an Echo Park die. How pretty. It's got the little, you know, all the little elements for the face and the little, I don't know, spots for the back. So that's pretty, guys. It makes this little reindeer right there so cute. That is so cute. Oh, that is cute. Thank you, Evelyn. I like that. Okay, and this one is the second of the two packages. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I got the Recollections Christmas Noel. Guys, I didn't pick any up this year. So I was a little sad because I couldn't find, unless they just didn't have them out when I went looking, I could not find this kind of package. Oh, it's a retro Christmas. Oh my gosh. So, you know, I didn't find, they had paper pads, but I never saw these like sets. So, oh, I'm so happy to have this. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Evelyn. Let me see what comes in here. It comes with pattern paper, foiled printed sheets, 3 solid paper sheets, alpha stickers, sticker sheet, washi sticker sheet, ephemera punch out sheet, and 1 gemstone sticker sheet. Oh wow, it came with a lot. I was bummed that I didn't find any. And here are the gems, and of course they coordinate, the colors coordinate with these with the set. And oh, this is so pretty. And then the snow globes. Oh, this one's pretty. All the mugs, and 2 sheets of each. And I love this one. So I'm sure that you guys have seen all these, but I have not, because like I said, we didn't have them at our store, which I was very bummed about. Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, Evelyn, thank you. Oh, here's the foil sheet. How pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I like that. And then here is the ephemera punch out, or is it the sticker? Yeah, I think it's the sticker sheet. This one's the sticker sheet. How pretty. Oh, look at that snowman. Oh man, that's pretty. And then this one is is this another sticker sheet? I forgot if it said, oh, this is the washi. Oh, this is the washi sheet. Oh, how cool is that? Oh yeah, guys, look, it's washi. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cool. You don't have to get an entire roll. You just get, you know, a little bit, because, you know, honestly, that's all we need is a little bit. How cool. Oh my gosh, I'm really sad now. And here is the alpha sheet. And they are, yeah, they're stickers. Oh, how cool. And this one's like a, yeah, this one's the punch out. And they're kind of thick. They're not as thick as the regular chipboard, but they're not as thin as the paper. Oh, I love that. Oh, how pretty is this? Oh, I just love it. And then the solid sheets, green, mint, and red. Oh my gosh, I am ecstatic. I know I'm ecstatic, guys. I am so super duper duper excited because I didn't get any, so oh, I love it. Evelyn, thank you so much. I really super duper appreciate it. I really do. I love it. This is so cool, man. I hope you know what, I'm gonna go and see if they have any, you know, any clearance on, I doubt it. I doubt that we got ours, but I'll see if they have any clearance and I can maybe get 1 or 2 for next year. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry I did not share my swap to her. It was actually late because I was dealing with I had 2 deaths in the family within 30 minutes of each other. So the house, I mean, the entire family, you know, everything was pure chaos. They died on the same day. They were both family members on the same side of the family. But anyway, I had a lot going on, and I didn't even take pictures. And Evelyn said she was going to take pictures of my swap to her, but I didn't get to share that with you. Okay, guys? Anyway, enough of that. We will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys. And don't forget the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.